Come back to budget smartphone review. Today I'll be reviewing the Mi-549. 549. I've already unboxed this handset and you could find the video for the same on my channel on YouTube. I've installed this active or magnetic flip cover and here we will get a lot of notifications. We will get notifications for SMS, incoming calls, etc. Touch response, color reproduction are very good. Also the viewing angles are very good. The highlights of this handset are 1.3 GHz quad-core processor, 1 GB RAM, 8 GB ROM, 8 megapixels autofocus back cam, and a very big 5.5 inches IPS display. It has a lot of pre-installed apps like Doctor Safety, Docs2Go, Flipkart, OLX, Spice Cloud, Spice Suffer, Spice Gang, Torch, SwiftKey, etc. As it has SwiftKey keyboard, we will have swipe to type input on the keyboard, which is very good. In-call sound and clarity in this handset is very good. And we can make direct video calls from the dialer if we are on 3G network. We have 3 touch capacitive buttons on the display. And in addition to those buttons, we will have one more button here. Long pressing this button takes us to Google. So we have 2 home buttons and long pressing this home button takes us to recent apps. Tapping here closes all the recent apps. Let's go to notification panel. Here are the quick options. Let's go to settings. It has Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, dual SIM 3G, VPN, tethering and portable hotspot, USB internet, notifications. We could have notifications on lock screen using this. We will have quick touch option. It supports automatic brightness, cast screen, smart wake up. It supports a lot of gestures like double tap to wake up, C for cam, E for browser, W for file manager, M for music, etc. I have installed a lot of games and benchmarks. Let's see the RAM status. It has around 500 MB, 501 MB free. Let's go to about phone. It is running on Android KitKat 4.4.2 version. It says it supports wireless updates, but whenever I try to update, it says network connection failed. I'm not sure if it is a problem with this particular piece or if it is a problem with this handset or this model. Let's come out of settings. I would now show you some interesting screenshots. .614 MB RAM was available on the first boot, and on the first boot I have got 1.88 GB available space for photos, videos, etc. and 3.64 GB was available for installing applications, and we have an option to set the default write disk to SD card, which is a very good option again. Let's see the benchmarks. On CPU Z, it says it has quad-core processor, Mali 400 MP GPU. It supports a lot of sensors like accelerometer, proximity, light, orientation, magnetometer, etc. It supports 5-point multi-touch. AnTuTu score is 19045, which is very good for this price point. Ninamark score is, maybe I have disabled this auto rotation. Yes, it was disabled. Ninamark score is 57.8 FPS. Quadrant 7163. I have tested this. I've tested the battery for this handset. I have started testing the battery at 8:55 a.m. and the battery was 89% with single SIM, 2G mobile internet on, and with automatic brightness. I have played games. I have run benchmarks. I have used internet. I have used the battery heavily for around 41 minutes, and the battery was 69% at 9:36 p.m. So battery has dropped by 20% in around 41 minutes. If you like this video, please hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and my next video for gaming and gaming camera and OTG test for this handset. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.